Today we're here to introduce Blue, our preventative maintenance package offered by Handyman Express. This package is designed to be for any size home to keep your home in tip-top shape all year long. From our largest houses and estates to our common two-story homes, with our dynamic pricing and level of service, we provide your biggest investment, your home, with the exact level of care required to keep it looking perfect all year round. Whether you work with our parent company 915 Construction or any other construction companies, our Blue package is made to keep your biggest investment safe and sound. Our exterior package focuses mainly on curb appeal. So we're going to pressure wash your home every year, upkeep your patio furniture, clean your gutters, and give you overall seasonal prep in both the winter and the summer. Our interior package focuses on the quality and control of your home. Siliconing, sealing, changing of air conditioning filters, water filters, anything you can think of that your home needs, our Blue package is comprehensive enough to handle. We've taken our years of construction knowledge from building homes all across Long Island to make this program perfect for your home. Give us a call today for a free estimate on how we can help you maintain your biggest investment for the rest of your life.